Hello there and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you something interesting in Python. So basically there is this textualize.io site, and basically it allows you to build TUI interfaces with Python, and this is developed by Will McGugan, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. So here we can see maybe the developer, but based on this framework there is this NoteSH Python module developed, and this allows you to build notes with the help of this application, and I would like to show you how you can use it. So as you can see, I have my virtual environment activated, and I'm going to use pip install to install NoteSH. And yeah, as you can see, it was already installed. So now if we want to create a new file, a JSON file, which will hold our notes, this is the command that we would use. So let's create a NoteSH-f test.json. And as you can see, the note application has started. And basically, if you push Ctrl A, you have the option to add a note. And if you click, or you also have the option to resize the note. And if you click inside here, you will see that you can basically modify the parameters of this. And let's give it a title, so demo, and this is a demo. Let's go back and try to do some resizing. So this, no, it's bound left side. Okay, so you also have the option to create a list and demo. It should be able to parse it, maybe just the size is not correct. So first, second, etc. And you can select the body color. You can adjust the green, blue, and red values. And you also have the option to create a sticky note. So this is a different style of note. If you click in here, basically this is what was created there. And you can change the location of the sidebar, and you can create a box, and this box should allow you to add more notes. So if we save it and quit, we can check the content of the test.json. And basically this is how our notes definition looks like. What I'm going to do is to try to make it nicer. So from pprint, import pprint, and pprint this note. So this is how the definition for the note looks like. We have note with an ID, the color, the title, whatever, and the content. And this is in turn parsed with the application. So if we restart it, you will see that we have the notes back again. And this is just an interesting module that I wanted to show you, and you can adjust the frame as well. So basically that's it. See you in the next one.